Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11, 10 settings fix missing Wi-Fi. First check your Wi-Fi hardware is working or not, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type ping 127.1.1.1, if reply from IP the hardware is working properly. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Open Internet options. Click Connections, LAN settings, check automatically detect settings. Click Advanced tab, click Restore Advanced Settings, click Reset, check Delete Personal Settings, click Reset. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open WLAN Auto Config, change Startup type to Automatic. Click Start the service, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Disable and re-enable Wi-Fi adapter. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Update Driver, click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Updated Wi-Fi Model. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Uninstall Driver, click Uninstall, after uninstall restart system. Sixth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapter, right-click Wi-Fi Adapter, click Properties, click Power Management tab, uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Seventh method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Network Reset. Eighth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Type net sh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type ipconfig space, /flush DNS. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.